Hey, this is Lou Hornberger, and I will give you a quick demo of how Content Gorilla AI 2.0 works. First thing you want to do is get the plugin. You're going to download it here, and then go over to your WordPress website and go into your plugins, and you're going to upload the Content Gorilla plugin and activate it. That's the important step to get the content from Content Gorilla to your WordPress blog. And then we're back in Content Gorilla AI 2.0. and we're going to put in our search term. All right, so I'm going to look for best tips for increasing viewer retention. There we go. I'm going to set the license to Creative Commons, so I don't have to worry about any kind of copyrights. I click on search. All right, let's go with this YouTube search and discovery top 10 questions answered. So what I'm going to do here, then I click on Create Post. And you'll see how we quickly have the transcription of the video that's right here automatically added in. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have it create paragraphs. You see now it's broken it down by paragraphs. We're going to correct the grammar, and my grammar errors have been corrected. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some punctuation, and my punctuation has been added, and then I can go in and add relevant images. So I'm just going to grab an image here and place this in there. Pennies. We can then outline the article by clicking on Create AI Outline. Now it's then going to go through and create an outline based on this. And we have added our headings. As you can see here, it's evaluated the text and added headings. You can also then go in and say, let's take this sentence here, create a new series of simple topic, but make a video that attracted you to your channel. We can say, let's rework that. Let's paraphrase that using our AI. Content paraphrase successfully. So now we have more. It expanded that one sentence to give us more, and it generated AI content for us. Or I can highlight something, analyze the groups of videos that aren't receiving, and highlight this whole sentence here, and then have it write content for me using the AI. I can have it expanded professionally, casually, or in a particular person's voice, like Neil Patel. So I'm going to say let's make it more professional, and let's expand on that one sentence there. And you see how it's brought us a whole lot more content in. You see how that utilizes the AI to generate that. We also can detect AI content to check if it will be seen by Google as AI content by clicking here. And as you see there, it notes it as 99.309% genuine. Now here is where it really shines, that this allows us to generate short form content from our longer post. We click here and we say how many do we want. I'm not going to do a lot so that it doesn't take as long. I'm just going to say give me 3. And then I can add in the tags that I want to use here, and then I'm going to click on submit. Now it is generating 3 blog posts based on that. Your blog's ideas have been generated and the blog writing is underway. So here are the 3 that it gave me, and then I can go here and check on the progress of those 3 blog posts being written with the AI based off of the post that I started with. So you see here, these 3 were created from that video and they're in progress. Back to our original content, close this. And then we still have the standard tools that allow us to set up keyword auto hyperlinks. So any keyword that we want to set a link to that appears anywhere in our post, we can set that up here. We can set up our featured image. By default, it grabs the YouTube video, but of course we want to change that. Now you can see now I've changed it to another thumbnail. I can then set up the tags. Now of course it's going to grab the tags from the YouTube video, but we can actually add more here. And we can say content, we can say YouTube, whatever we think would be helpful for SEO optimization. Continue on here. We can syndicate this out to the different pages that we have for Facebook, Twitter, our LinkedIn, and include a link to the post. We can put a custom image in. We can go to our highlights to generate content highlights. These are small pieces that we can use, meta content. And our content highlights are created by summarizing it because it's a meta description we can use. And it gives us content summary, a Facebook post that we can post right away, a tweet to use on Twitter, and a LinkedIn post to use, all automated from that one piece of content that we grab legally because it has a Creative Commons license. And then we can simply publish it. I can say what website I want to put to, and I'm going to put it onto this site here, and I'm going to publish it as a post and publish. Congrats, your content has been posted. And then when I pull up that page, you can see here is the content that I generated. Pull this out. This is the headline. These are the sub-headlines, the content, all the pieces that we put in here are automatically posted to our WordPress blog. Now we come back into Content Gorilla AI 2.0, and I go over here to create, and I go down to our short content. It should be ready by now. There it is. It has created 3 posts for us from that one post. I could have set that number to 10, 20, 30, so I have 1 a day from one post that I generate using YouTube. Click on Create Post, and then I can go through that process in the same way. It automatically grabs an image, it sets it up with punctuation and paragraphs, and then all I have to do is simply come here to publish, and then I can send this right out to my page on Assist to Prosper, set up, and publish. And then I go to the blog, and there it is, the power of video appearance, how changing your title and thumbnail can affect. And here's the content it generated. There's the image it selected, all automated for me with Content Gorilla AI 2.0. It's just that simple. Simply select a video, and it can be a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or a video you upload yourself. Then you can have it generate automatically dozens and dozens of posts from that one video that you used, and then publish it and watch the SEO friendly posts bring in traffic and maybe even sales day in and day out, all completely automated using the power of Content Gorilla AI 2.0.